Select Object. Scale tool like a rotate tool. In this tool, you get a pivot point just like Rotate tool. Take copy with Alt. Press Ctrl D. If I click here, and we'll make it smaller, it is becoming smaller in this direction. If I take copy with Alt and press Ctrl D, it will repeat same steps. Select all subjects. Take Shear tool, and you can see that. We can shear all objects together. Select Path from Direct Selection tool. Take Reshape tool, click, and drag. Automatically, it's at anchor point, and it will give you a curve.